Hi guys, for today's video, I'm going to show you how to play some of the letter notes in flute recorder. So this is my left hand. Of course, this is also in your left hand, right hand. And sa flute recorder, mayroong mga representation na numbers sa bawat fingers. Let's say for example, this one is left hand, of course, left hand. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's say for example letter C or solfa syllable do. So this would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the numbers present in letter do or letter C or do are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it goes. Re or D. E or mi. Fa or F. G or sol. La or A. B or C or T. Higher do or higher C. 0 and 2. Okay, for sharps naman, we have C sharp, half lang. The asterisk sign indicates na half lang yung number. Let's say for example, in this one, C sharp, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then asterisk 7. Ibig sabihin, half lang yung fingers sa 7. Dapat yung maliit lang yung makikita natin dito. Ayan, yung C sharp.